Oh, hey. Didn't think you were going to come. My name's Lizzy Hoo. I'm a comedian, wannabe golfer, and I'm actually the voice and face of AirAsia. I have no idea why. This, guys, is my 66 square meter, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Don't want to brag. I'm doing pretty well. I know it's only 10:30, but do you guys want to come inside for a Guinness? Let's do it. I don't have a drinking problem.
Cheers.
So you know.
Who's this?
This is Owen. Hey, Owen. This is my beautiful baby greyhound son. He's a rescue. I'm better than you.
I love this open kitchen. Do you entertain much?
Actually, no. It's a bit of a waste of a kitchen, to be honest. I only really cook for myself. And sometimes I have my family over, but that's like 8 people and it's a little bit tight for that.
So what's your go-to comfort dish for a night in?
So if I go and visit my parents in Brisbane, my dad will always give me a frozen curry. And when I really feel I need that comfort, I defrost them. I know I'm 42 years old, but hey, I'm still getting frozen curries from my dad, which is kind of embarrassing to admit, but I bet you wish you had frozen curries from your dad.
Oh, 100%. Do you enjoy cooking?
I do love cooking. In my family, we're all really good cooks, except for one brother. He's a good eater, but he's not a good cook. But I mostly cook what my dad cooks and what his mother cooks. So it's a lot of Malaysian food, curries, noodles, rice, that sort of thing.
Can you show us one of your most used items in the kitchen?
Oh, okay. So again, curry themed. We're going for a real curry theme here. Let me just find it. Oh, shit. This is the real Lizzy. Don't mind it. Everyone needs one of these, okay? You need one of these and you need a rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, what are you doing? The war is over. This is just decoration, okay? I'm never using this. No one's ever using this. You're not making curry paste in this? What? We're not in the village anymore. We're in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Save your time. Save your muscles. Just get a little whiz. Zip, 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 zip. Everyone wants to see what's in a comedian's drawers, and this is crazy, guys. You are gonna lose your minds. Egg cup, you gotta get yourself an egg cup. Boiled eggs out of a cup, revolutionary. I've kept these tongs even though they don't really work. I've kept them for years because I don't wanna let them go. What else have we got in here? Oh my gosh. Good things. Did you go? I went and saw Tool. Yeah. I don't know what you like to see in your spare time, but I like to be in the middle of about, 60,000 dads sweating on their weekend. That's what I like to do with my spare time. So yeah, rock on. I like to get magnets of places I've been. Rottnest Island, that's a pretty cool one. And definitely my favorite place I've been recently, the Wooden Boat Centre in Tasmania. If you haven't been to the Wooden Boat Centre, you haven't lived.
Are you much of a sailor?
No, not at all.
You just like boats?
I liked the Wooden Boat Centre. Yeah, that's where my love of boats really began.
Tell us the truth. Are you a neat freak or a clutterfly?
Glitter what? I mean, the bed is neat today because you guys were coming over, but the real Lizzy is in here. All my jeans, essential items. I mean, where else am I going to keep this tooth cowboy hat? I've got some merch that none of you guys ever bought, so it just lives in my cupboard. And this, essentially.
So your organisational system is?
I would say organized chaos. A lot of people like to use the Marie Kondo system. Who cares? You don't need to be organized in this life. You need to have a little mess, a little chaos, a little fun, so that, when you need a kubra or something, it's just there. It's just there. It's ready for you. You can swap. You can be whatever personality you want. You want to be like, this kind of makes me look like I'm a lawyer in the outback trying to steal your land. Yeah, whereas this one, I'm ready to party. So if this wasn't chaos, I wouldn't have those personalities to choose from.
Seems like it works. Any other storage tips?
Just kind of put it in. You just put it in and then you do that and then you shut it. What is this persona I've got right now? I don't know what's happening.
Hey, I heard you don't like IKEA.
Yeah, I do hate IKEA. Just because of the insane place. You go in there, it's like a hostage situation. Don't you think? It's a hostage situation. You just go in there and you have to do the whole loop and then everyone's in there buying little things. Yuck.
Who's this?
Yeah, that's Emma. Hey, Emma. Say hey to the camera. This is my really good friend, one of my besties, Emma Elizabeth. She's a stylist and look, she made the bed, I'll be honest. She did it all. I tried too. She was like, step aside, Lizzie. You'd have no idea what you're doing.
Do you mind if we see the bathroom?
Oh, wow. I thought you'd never ask. This is the bathroom of the 2-bed, 1-bathroom. Guys, frankly, this is where the magic happens. Shower in here. Love to take a time out and have a shower. Twice a day, morning and night. Call me crazy. I've got all my things here. I always like to have my towels like this. Emma did that. How did she even do that? I don't even know how she did that. Chanel, big fan. Never knew I had so much Chanel, Emma.
Do you often have people just lying outside your apartment?
Yeah, all the time. People are crazy. Yeah, that's what I've noticed since doing this job as a comedian. People they get up the lift somehow and they camp out here. And every time I go out, I just have to be like, oh, don't mind me, guys, just going out. There she is.
That's a real whack shit on Instagram.
Yeah, well, you've heard it here first. Social media is crazy.
Rock on. Thanks for the Guinness.
Thank you for coming. Absolutely, my pleasure.
Hey, Lizzie, what's all this stuff?
Oh, yeah, this is what I like to call community. Yeah, it's everyone looking out for each other, mostly just me putting a lot of my IKEA stuff in the hallways so you guys don't see that. It's been great having you. Bye.